galvanometer. In previous chapter we have studied about what a galvanometer is and what is its use. Yes? Okay. Now here we are going to study about one type of galvanometer, that is basically about constructing or making a galvanometer. What is the principle behind its work? Right. This is a theoretically descriptive question. Right, a lot of description is there. Okay, so listen to the words carefully. I will not write the whole thing on the board. Okay, we'll draw a diagram and then I will explain it using that diagram. So first of all, the key thing here is that there is a pair of cylindrical magnets and their poles facing opposite. That is, one north pole while the other is south. So that makes a kind of a circular area over here. You understand what I am saying? Right? In this part there is a circular gap. Now in that gap we have an iron cylinder placed. What is placed? Iron cylinder. Okay, which is solid, right? Not hollow, solid. On top of that cylinder, a coil is wound. Coil is wound, that is, lots of turns of wire are made. Do you understand this? Yes or no? 3D model. बराबर है? Cylinder arm है, like a pipe, and on top of, like, not like a solenoid, not like a solenoid arm. Okay, it's a bit noisy cylinder, but that's how it is done. Understood there? Now, along with all this, with this cylinder, a needle is attached. A needle is a pointer. What is it? Pointer. Pointer खबर पड़ेगा नहीं? Galvanometer में होए pointer. So that can show current is 1 microampere, 2 microampere, आम तो just like there is a pointer in your speedometer of the scooter, correct or not? Okay, with pointer. Now, what is the role of all these parts? This part माना होता है. First, what do these magnets do? Magnets, मैं आपको part मानने लगता हूँ exam में. Magnets create radially uniform magnetic field. So basically what this complicated sentence means is that it's going to create a radial field. Radial field. Radial એટલે કોને કહેવાય? Towards the center or away from the center, like that. And uniform. Uniform in the sense magnitude is uniform, but direction is not uniform. बाकी तो uniform field काम हो जाए. I hope you realize what I am saying. Yes or no? In same direction. I know nothing. This is radially uniform. Means field lines will be like this. See, hopefully you remember that magnetic field lines always come out from north, and then they try to go towards south. Okay, something of this kind. Did you understand? आनी अंदर नहीं हुए field lines बस है, but I am not showing. Is it okay? Field lines are also there inside the cylinder. Actually, at every point, I know I have not drawn very nicely, frankly, but at every point they are in the direction of radius. समझाऊँ आप? You know समझाऊँ? Yes, no.
Yes.
Like this. Clear? So the field lines are radial. Okay. So now what will happen is that when a current will pass, as a coil, that coil, its two ends, one end from here and the other end from here, its two ends, they are connected with some battery or whatever you want to measure. I'm a current flow. Did you understand this? Yes or no? This current flowing will cause what? A magnetic moment. Sometimes a loop cell, so many loops. So because of the loop there will be magnetic moment. So whenever we have current carrying loops placed inside magnetic field, what happens to it? There exists a torque. याद आवे छे? याद आवे कि नहीं? भूल गया. Loop inside magnetic field. एनी ऊपर torque लागे ने, torque equal to md sin theta. That's all. ये तो क्या ना कि अच्छा एनी ऊपर हमने आवे. What's the role of this iron cylinder? Iron cylinder is used to increase the magnitude of magnetic field or strength of magnetic field. એવું તો શું હોય આયરન માં? આયરન is a ferromagnetic material. એવું તમને ખબર છે કેમિસ્ટ્રી માં આવે છે iron is ferromagnetic. Ferromagnetic materials are those where the magnetic field really becomes many times higher, 500 times higher, 1000 times higher, something like that. Okay, why that is like that and you know what is really happening inside iron? It was the next chapter about. Okay, I have to important thing that iron causes the magnetic field to increase many times. A and role. So because of that, more torque will act. Did you understand? Because of that, more torque will act. The third thing is a needle or a pointer is connected, right? A needle or a pointer is connected that rotates with the cylinder. A coil per torque class and a cylinder per. When cylinder will turn, this needle will also turn. Okay. And one last important thing. A spring is attached to the cylinder to counter or balance the magnetic torque. On cylinder or coil. So, what's going to happen here? Look at it. Suppose this is its equilibrium or 0%. That is when current is not flowing. When you don't move your scooter, the pointer remains at 0. So that's like this is. Now some current flows. So because of that current, this loop will get torque. So now this loop will get. Now if the loop gets torque, this will spin. It will rotate. Loop inside magnetic field will start rotating. They rotate first. So what we do is with this spring, with this cylinder, a spring is attached. Now it's really more so like a spring that prevents rotation. For example, drawing you are supposed to rotate it. Have you seen it or not? Okay, you have to wind the spring. Basically, when this turns, the spring will get wound. And the more it turns, the more opposite torque spring will apply. Notice एक बार हम करो तो कहीं force न जो धीरे-धीरे tight करते जाए. Correct or not?
Yes.
So same thing here. The more it turns, the harder it gets to turn more. Clear? In the spring हमें torque लगा रहा है. So what is happening is the spring which is attached to cylinder is what is it doing? It is balancing or countering. Countering means opposing that magnetic torque. Okay, so ultimately suppose when હવે આનું વધારે description તમે બુકમાં વાંચી જાતે લખો. મેં મેઇન વસ્તુ તમને લખાવી. When the needle or pointer settles in equilibrium, torque due to magnetic field will be equal to torque due to spring. Did you understand that equation? What is meaning of equilibrium? total torque or total force will be 0. અહીંયા શું થશે? Total torque is 0. Means torque due to magnetic field and torque due to spring will be equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. They are opposite each other. So be balance થઈ જાય તો શું થાય? The needle will stick over there. Is it fine? આ suppose પટલું આમ થઈ ગયું તો આપણે કહું okay this is 1 milliampere અહીંયા ઉપર લખેલો છે. Did you get it? Okay, if current is more than torque will be more. So here we go. Do you get it? So let's put all that here. Now this is the crucial thing. Torque on a loop in magnetic field N I A B sin. Now this is where you'll have some more big question. I'm sure. Listen to this carefully. You know this radial field is always in direction of radius. First of all, its magnitude is same everywhere. That's why we are calling it radial unit. Direction is different, but magnitude is same. એટલે અહીંયા b તો દર વખતે b જ આવશે. એના એ તો સમજ પડી ગઈ ને? m b sin theta એવું લખો ને. m એટલે એના number of turns, current flowing and area of this loop. આમ કહેલું હોય. Okay. Why sin 9? It's because of the radial nature. See, this needle or pointer also behaves like the direction of magnetic moment. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Arm coil or magnetic moment. Arm. Agreed?
Yes.
So what is happening is that at every point, suppose a north magnetic field lines will be coming in from this side and then they will go in away. That is, they are going towards the radius and then going away. Outward. Exact corner no bane koi divas, of course. It's always going to be curved outward. Did you understand this? In our center, the center થી બધી બાજુ આમ radius ની direction માં છે. Did you get what I said? Sure. Now if you would put a coil, let's say in this horizontal position, so then what happens is near the center of this coil, the field is effectively towards the right side. Think of it. અહીંયા એક field line આમ છે, અહીંયા એક field line આમ છે, અને એક field line આમ છે. Yes or no? Did you see the three? 1, 2, 3. આ બધાનું net effect કઈ બાજુ હોય?
Right side.
Towards the right side. Okay, but if the coil is like this, where is this magnetic moment? આમ આવશે, અને total magnetic field or effective magnetic field is towards the so what's the angle between F vector and B vector? 9. Now the same thing, because it's radially symmetric, એટલે બધી બાજુ radius માં છે, તો આને આમ ટર્ન કરો તો એનાથી કઈ ફરક ન પડે. If there is a circle ને આમ ફેરવો તો શું પડે? Right? આમાં M આમ હતું, અહીંયા B હતું. બરાબર? આને આમ ટર્ન કરશો તો M એ સાથે સાથે ટર્ન થશે. Okay, so angle between M and B vector will always be 90 degree for any kind of Fourier. If you don't believe me, you can check it by putting it this way also. Now diagram over. Let's say field lines are like this and this. Now suppose you would turn it in this manner. Okay. Suppose you would turn it in this manner. So what is happening is that over here, in this part and this part, field lines are going through in which direction? Some of them are going downwards over here, some of them are going right side everywhere. એટલે એ બધી field line નું resultant છે ને એ આને perpendicular direction માં છે. What I mean to say is along the point. Some of them here, some of them here. Everywhere. Did you get it? આમ છે field line આમ જાય ને જો અહીંયા પછી અહીંયા કેવી રીતે જશે અહીંયા આમથી આવીને આમ જશે right so here also the same thing so when the field lines cut this loop they are going to be nearly parallel to the loop in every orientation આમ loop હોય તો આ parallel આમ loop હોય તો આ parallel કરશે આમ loop હોય તો make sense આવી રીતે હોય તો અહીંયા field line so every case the net effect of field lines is parallel to the loop. Parallel in the sense the loop में आए तो आम field line and the magnetic moment तो vertical. Right? So always the angle between M and B will remain 90. This is of course provided you can actually create exactly ideal field like this. If that 100% knowledge, like there is no doubt about it. Right? So angles will change type, but every instrument is going to have that kind of help. Okay. Radially uniform field is such that always M vector and B vector remain perpendicular to each other. Say एक જ plane માં, but still always like that. So what happens here? On the right side, torque due to spring, and અહીંયા થઈ ગયું sin theta by sin 90. What's on the right side? Torque due to spring. Force due to spring क्या है? K into x होता है in magnitude. ये दास हुआ से KT into theta. What's KT and what's theta? Theta for what? Angle by which it will rotate. समझाणु? એનો સમજાણું. And KT is equal to torsional constant. बोला मैंने force constant क्या है? याद है?
Yes.
Spring constant or force constant. But here KT is called torsional constant. Torsional is referring to torque. Torsional means related to or connected to torque. Also, think about it. As theta will increase, the more it turns, the more torque will be applied. ये जो है ना वाला टॉय में यूज़ है ना तो मैं जेटू फेर कर जाऊँ. The spring coil थी जाए. The more it turns, the more torque it will apply opposite. वही समान कैसे क्या होता है? थोड़ा काम तो है. धीरे-धीरे spring नो torque बढ़ेगी. At one point, both the torques will get balanced. There the needle will stop. There the needle will stop. Now, આ theta ને કઈ નામ આપવું હોય તો શું કહી શકાય? What is theta? Angle by which the coil turns. એવું લખાય ને or angle by which needle turns. પણ એનો એક easy word છે. Deflection of needle. સમજાણું કે નહીં? What is the meaning of deflection?
Change.
જેટલા ડિગ્રી ટર્ન થઈ જાય, that's called deflection. This is equation completely clear. Two things are balancing each other. Which two? One is torque on the loop because of magnetic field, and the other is torque of the spring on the loop or on the cylinder. You may balance it. Then the needle will stick to that position. Anybody, given everything is a constant, of course. Number of turns, थोड़ा सा gravitometer वाले बड़े खोली अंदर टॉप. You understand what I'm saying? Area of the coil will also not change again. Under magnetic field is created by these two magnets. You are also not going to replace them every day. That means B's value is also constant. So we can write, of course, spring constant. I mean, torsional constant is also constant. So we get I is proportional to theta. Actually, theta proportional to I of 2000. Did you understand? Theta proportional to I. Another means, if for 1 ampere current, 1 ampere is 1 microampere. If for 1 microampere current this turns by 2 degrees, then for 10 microampere current it will turn by 20 degrees. समझाणु ने? Proportionally. Current is double, deflection will also be double. So how easy it is to make it? I mean, once you do this procedure of getting magnetic field uniform, then it's very easy to make it scale. कैसे खबर पड़े? अभी आप scale like your बराबर. So like every marking, like protractor, every marking indicates, for example, 1 degree, and let's say 1 degree corresponds to 1 microampere. कैसे करता जाओ तो आ 0 बने यहाँ तो आवे 1 microampere, 2 microampere, 3, 4, 5 microampere. Like that you can proceed further for every 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. Protractor में क्या होगा? जो है ना ना मार्किंग है ना 1 0 થી ચાલુ થાય 0 પછી 0.5 પછી 1 પછી 0.1.5. Understood that? Okay, so like that, wherever the needle will point. Yeah. Exactly like the speedometer. Speedometer में जो है ना 0 પછી થોડા ડિગ્રી में 10 કિલોમીટર પર પછી એટલા પછી 20 પછી 30 પછી 40 એટલે એમાં અંદર આવું મિકેનિઝમ હશે. We realize that theta proportional to v. Here we will have theta proportional to I. समझ पड़े तो बराबर इंट्यूशन थोड़ा better how it works. Okay. Now there is one definition called which is sensitivity of galvanometer. What is it called? Sensitivity of galvanometer. Sometimes it's also called current sensitivity. Sometimes it's also called current sensitivity of galvanometer. And the definition too. Very easy definition. Deflection shown for unit current. Deflection shown for unit current. That is called sensitivity or current sensitivity of galvanometer. Kani formula શું લખી છે? S લખું છે. Alright? શું લખું? S equal to બોલો જલ્દી. Definition વાંચી નાખો. Theta upon I. Is that okay?
Yes.
હવે આ બધામાંથી theta upon I find કરતા આવડે કે ન આવડે? શું આવે? Theta upon I.
N A B sin
N I A sorry N B N A B upon A T. Did you get it?
Yes.
This is the formula of sensitivity. આ યાદ રાખવાની જરૂર જ નથી. કેમ આ તો એકદમ ઈઝી સ્ટેપ છે કે tau m equal to tau s એનો બેઝિક આઈડિયા બરાબર મૂકી દો પછી થીટા upon I ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો. Got it? Okay. Now do you remember that galvanometer is used to make two devices, one ammeter and one more voltmeter. याद आवे छे? To make ammeter you have to connect a small resistance shunt in parallel together. To make voltmeter you have to connect a large resistance RS in series. ये ना relation आता है तो आपने चैप्टर में पूरा करना है. Okay? ये बाजू नहीं. But there is one more thing that I want to tell you. Just like there is current sensitivity, there is also something called voltage sensitivity. That is when you are using this galvanometer as a voltmeter. When you are using this galvanometer as a voltmeter, there is something called voltage sensitivity. बराबर कहानी definition શું હશે?
Deflection shown
આપણે જાણના છે મારે તો લખના કેમ જાતે? Okay, formula શું હશે? S will be equal to
theta by
theta upon v. તો theta upon I તો આપણને આવડે. Is this okay? આ theta upon I. તો અહીંયા I ની જગ્યાએ v હોય તો અહીંયા I આ લખી શકું?
Yes.
Fine, let me not jump too much. Step ahead. Theta upon I into R. R એટલે શું? Galvanometer's resistance. Can you understand? Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Sure? Okay. So આની જગ્યાએ શું લખાય? N A B by K T into G. Understood this? G શું છે?
Resistance of
galvanometer. બરાબર ને? N શું છે?
number
Number of turns in this coil. A
area
of that coil. B
magnetic
is magnetic field created here. K T torsional constant of the spring used. બરાબર મેં શો નથી કરી પણ છે. G for
resistance of
galvanometer. હવે તમને સમજાય રેઝિસ્ટન્સ કેમ હોય galvanometer? એનો સમજાવવાનું. This current flows in. પછી શું થાય? ફ્લો થઈને આમ બાજુ વાયર નું કઈ રેઝિસ્ટન્સ નહીં હોય ને? That resistance is nothing but did you get it? Sure? એનો સમજાણો. This wire has its own resistance. એનો resistance G છે. That's the galvanometer's resistance. Fine. Everything is clear about this?
sir આજે needle deflect થશે તો સિલિન્ડર ની ડાયરેક્શન શું હશે?
Cylinder
ડાયરેક્શન
Cylinder ની direction
શું હોય છે? Coil.
do you realize cylinder is same from every direction તો રોટેટ થાય તો કઈ ફરક ન પડે ને સિલિન્ડર અને નીડલ સાથે જ આમ જશે did you understand આખું સ્પીચ
સિલિન્ડર આમ છે.
હા
સિલિન્ડર છે એની ઉપર આમ કોઇલ આમ છે.
એટલે જો એક કર્વ બેસેટ બદલી નાખ્યો બરાબર ને so suppose this is the cylinder with this as the longer dimension and length છે તો ટર્ન્સ આમ છે સોલેનોઇડ ની જેમ નહીં did you understand સોલેનોઇડ માં આમ ટર્ન છે આમાં અંડરસ્ટુડ તો આ ફોર્સ એટલે સાથે સાથે સિલિન્ડર એક નીડલ આમ અટેચ કરો અને આ આખું આમ જ what is your હા તો એમાં કઈ વાંધો નહીં આ તો બે પોઝિશન દેખાડી વચ્ચે હોય તો એમાં શું ફરક પડે ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ મીન્સ when current is not passing અને એવી રીતે સ્ટાર્ટ કરેલું હોય કે વચ્ચે પછી એક બાજુ કરંટ ફ્લો થાય તો આમ ટર્ન થશે ઓલી બાજુ કરંટ ફ્લો થાય તો ઊંધો ટોર્ક લાગે તો ઊંધી બાજુ સમજાણું ને that's fine ઓકે ને મજો વચ્ચે જ હોય ગેલોરીમીટર એમીટર માં સાઈડ માં કરીને આપેલું સોરી so straight noise will feel like magnetic field voice again but this is how it is made field line ek be field line to straight હોવાની છે which one the one that go from here to here બધી આમ સીધી એમ cross થાય field lines never cross each other હા તું એમ કહે ને કે field line straight હોવી જોઈએ આમ આમ કે આમ નહીં ને આવું કે છે what if the field lines are straight એવું galvanometer નો બનાવાય ને but there will be a big problem the problem is that if all the field the field is uniform અને uniform field કહેવાય ને પછી આમ જેવું ટર્ન થાય એટલે આ એંગલ
ચેન્જ
90 નો રહે so that angle will change so then two things will change એટલે બે અહીંયા θ આવે ને અહીંયા sin θ did you understand if you put it that way so that's why we don't take uniform field સમજાયું ને or suppose this is the cylinder system coil એક પોઝિશન માં આમ છે અને magnetic field lines આવી રીતે રેડિયલ okay probably something like this then in this position I have explained it because it's easiest to visualize જો આ જે લૂપ છે એમાંથી અલગ અલગ field lines પાસ થાય but do you realize that this one and this one for example their vertical components will cancel each other so એનું resultant કે બધો right side આવે કે રીતે આ ને આ હોય તો એનું vertical component that will cancel each other એટલે એનું resultant right side so like this all of them આ ને આ એનો એક vertical component જ્યારે આ field line અહીંયા આવશે at that time it will cancel each other so only horizontal component આમ આ કોઈ ગમે તે direction માં change થાય suppose આમ થાય then what happens is that for this coil the field lines that are passing through the coil the field lines that are passing through the coil is તો arm straight say fine 90 degree but if you consider the other two suppose this one so એનો એક component આમ આવે okay અને એક component કઈ બાજુ આવશે આમ છે તો એક component આમ આવે એવી રીતે આ field line છે એનો એક કોમ્પોનેન્ટ આ બાજુ અને એક કોમ્પોનેન્ટ આમ so the field line that is in this direction it is parallel to m so then so એ તો કઈ પ્લોટ માં એપ્લાય કરી શકે ને you remember which field lines are useful when applying plot the one that are perpendicular કેમ એવું
પેરેલલ વાળું લૂપના સેટમાંથી પસાર.
Suppose this field line here, can it apply torque on this loop in this position? No. And the angle 0 is the angle between m vector and b vector 0 or 180 depending on what the direction of curve. એટલે effectively we get only those components which are along the coil, along the plane of the coil. એટલે એના કારણે શું થાય? If you take this direction, so આ field and આ field બે beat છે. The question is not more so why it is always 90. The question is what is the value of p in that direction. એટલે આ field છે. coil જ્યાં સુધી આમ હશે rm. What is component of b in direction perpendicular to m? It is b only. But each coil ને તમે આમ ફેરવો તો tilt બનાવો. Then what is component of b in direction of m? Is it same as earlier? Change થઈ જશે. પણ આ અરેન્જમેન્ટમાં ચેન્જ નહીં. કેમ? કારણ કે ફીલ્ડ બધી ડિરેક્શનમાં. So whether the coil is this way or the coil is this way, સીધી જ વાત છે ને. સર્કલ હોય મેં તમને એક કીધું આ સર્કલ આમ છે, આ સેન્ટર એ આમ ટર્ન થાય કે આમ ટર્ન થાય, રેડિયસ તો બધી બાજુ સેમ જ હોય. મેક સેન્સ? શ્યોર? એટલે એના કારણે આ કોઇલ ઓમેટિક બને તો મેગ્નેટિક ફીલ્ડની વેલ્યુ ચેન્જ ન થાય. That's what together these two things are doing. એટલે ni a b જ આવે દર વખતે. Whatever that b is, it will always be fixed. Very cool. Uniform wave no થાય, that you can see. આ ટર્ન થશે એટલે મેગ્નેટિક ફીલ્ડનો કોમ્પોનન્ટ બદલાઈ જશે. Because if you take two components b sin theta b cos theta, એમાં ચેન્જ થાય. આમાં ચેન્જ ન થાય કારણ કે ગમે એમ કરો બધી ડિરેક્શનથી સિમેટ્રી. સમજાય ને? Is main idea. This is symmetric from all sides. Any more questions? Alright. So, હવે આના સા exercise. બરાબર? આપણે ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડશે ને? વોલ્ટેજ સેન્સિટિવિટી, કરંટ સેન્સિટિવિટી. From exercise. Just start reading it, see what we have to do. So what did you think of it? Two galvanometers are given. Anybody information આવી છે કે નહીં? Number of turns, yes, resistance, area, છે અને magnetic field છે. Fine. Okay. And in the bracket it is written that the constants of spring are identical. એટલે KT ની value same. Find શું કરો? Ratio of the current sensitivity. એટલે પહેલા suppose આન S1 upon S2. તમારે પડીને શું કરવું જોઈએ? Just take the rate N1 A1 B1. KT cancel. Upon N2 A2 B2. આવડી જશે. Okay. પછી voltage sensitivity. કેવી કરવાનું? सरकार के होमवर्क you are too late to sense it સાચી વાત છે તમે ઘણાને ખબર પડી ગઈ હશે બેસરવાય કે આ સોલ્વ કરવાના નથી બરાબર છે N A B કેટી તો કેન્સલ અને G શું છે galvanometer resistance in this question it is given as R1 and R2 એટલે બે વાર find unit આવે કે નહીં sensitivity unit હોય પણ ratio નો unit નો આવે ને I hope that is clear all right okay so कर देજો pretty obvious मला ક્લાસમાં પૂછ્યું આજ કેટલા હોમવર્ક મેં કીધું એમને કે નથી કીધું 9 chapter 5 now okay example 30 પછી આના પછી એક ટોપિક છે કરવાનો આપણે example 30 આ હોમવર્ક માં જવાનું છે કારણ કે આ ચેપ્ટર 4 નો ક્વેશ્ચન નથી 3 માં આપણે આ બધું કહ્યું છે પહેલી વાંચી તમે એમ કહેતો કે સર જરૂર નથી in the circuit the current is to be measured સરસ દેખાની સર્કિટ પાછળ ઓકે ઊંધેથી ચાલુ કરો C part alright what is given is that this ammeter shown is an ideal ammeter with zero resistance સમજાણું this A is an ideal ammeter with how much resistance zero અને find the કરવાનું છે મેળવી નહીં what is the value of current what is the value of current સમજાણું કે છે કે ન સમજાણું we want to find value of current means I figure જો ammeter નું resistance કેટલું 0 સમજાણું ને 3 ohm 3 volt battery ammeter resistance 0 how much current वो જોરદાર ક્વેશ્ચન હતો ને કે નહીં ઓકે હવે A part what is the value of current if ammeter shown is a galvanometer with resistance 60 ohm એટલે આ ammeter નથી it's actually a galvanometer with how much resistance 60 okay so what's the total resistance in series in circuit here 63 battery કેટલી 3 volt તો current કેટલો આવે V છે 3 volt current find કરવાનો અને resistance કેટલું છે 63 ohm correct or not how much current 3 by 63 yes or no સમજાય છે બધાને ઓકે sure તો આવી ગયું alright હવે B part માં શું કીધું converted to an ammeter by a shunt resistance 0.02 એટલે એનો ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરી દો તમે so what's given is we have the same old circuit 3 volt battery અહીંયા એક 3 ohm resistor and here is galvanometer how much resistance of galvanometer 60 ohm અને એના parallel માં shunt લગાડવાનું છે so how much is this shunt 0.02 now we want to find current in the circuit કેવી કરે આ બે equivalent અરે એવું કરંટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો ને હા how much is the current flowing here yes or no yes તો આ બે equivalent પછી series માં ત્યાં series માં પછી I મળી જાય yes sure yes C સૌથી ઈઝી હતો બરાબર ને આઈડિયલ કેસ છે ને આ ચેપ્ટર 3 નો સમ ઓકે so that's it about moving coil galvanometer अच्छा तो कहीं तो खबर पड़ी ना कि moving coil क्या है कि नो खबर पड़ी what does coil do the coil will move હવે તમે experiment કરો if we give બરાબર ને if you do experiment with galvanometer તો કોઈવાર આવી રીતે કરંટ ફ્લો થાય ત્યારે ઓન ઓફ કરો ને ઓન ઓફ તો ઓન ઓફ થઈ જાય ઓકે when someone turns it on or off આમ જરા કાન રાખીને સાંભળવાની ટ્રાય કરજો કે કોઈ ભલે એનો અવાજ આવે શું કે બધા એક એક વાર કરે છૂટી ન જાય શું કે છે બધા એક એક વાર કરે તમે બધા તો કઈ કરતા નથી હું તમને કહું કરે બધા કર નાખે હું કહું લો પછી તું જ નહીં કરતો પણ હોતી પહેલા So you can put your ear close to it. એવું કઈ નથી ટેબલ પર એક પડે 5-6 જણા આજુબાજુ ગોઠવાઈ જાવ કાન રાખીને આમ તો ન સંભળાય. Of course the noise is not that loud. એવું કઈ ન હોય કે બોમ્બ બ્લાસ્ટ થયો. It's a very subtle sound, right? Okay. કારણ કે કોઇલ જે એક્સિસ ઉપર રાખ્યો હોય આમ ભલે સ્પ્રિંગ આમ આમ થાય એટલે અવાજ તો આવે જ છે. તમે સ્પ્રિંગ વાઇન્ડ કરો ત્યારે અવાજ થાય સાંભળ્યું છે કે નહીં? એવી અનવાઇન્ડ થાય ત્યારે એટલે અવાજ આવે બરાબર. ઓકે એનીવે let's go to the next problem. It is motion of charged particle in a circle, not inside magnetic field. बराबर है? And current and magnetic field, magnetic moment due to it. So in this topic we are going to talk about, suppose a charged particle Q, let's say Q, positive, assuming positive, moves in a circle like this. Let's say the radius of that circle is capital. Let's say mass of this particle is small m. What is its mass? Situation cover पड़ गया Q charged particle moving in a circle. Fine. Let's say it's moving with the speed v. Let's say moving with the speed in uniform circle. So in this situation, current flowing in the loop. याद आयो कि नहीं? શું આવે કેસમાં I equal to Q into L. બધા યાદ છે ને? ભૂલી ગયા? I equal to QL. Okay? Right. This you can also write it as Q omega by 2 pi. I can take F is omega by 2 pi. What is omega here? Angular frequency. You can also say it is angular velocity of this particle. Okay, you can say where omega is angular velocity of the particle. Now first sentence લખતા આવડશે ને, let a charge particle with charge q, mass m, revolve in a circle of radius r with speed v. Okay, current આવ્યો. હવે magnetic moment due to this current. Okay, how do you find magnetic moment due to current? M equal to N-I-A. But આમાં કઈ turns નથી. What's meaning of turns of wire? એક wire આમ કર્યો, એક wire આમ કર્યો, એક wire કર્યો. That's called turns. Here there is no wire. So number of turns is only 1. And the old one for is equal. Did you get it? So here I will not write M because M is for mass. Sorry, we are running out of symbols, so we have to write mu. What is mu standing for? Magnetic moment of this charge. આગળ એ કરતો પાછો નેક્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટર માં આવું જ આવશે ને તો અહીંયા પાછું એમ. Okay, did you understand this? Mu is the magnetic moment in this topic. Be careful. M no લખતા mass સાથે confusion is equal to શું લખું I into A. What's I?
Current. Q
omega by 2 pi. Yes or no? Here into A for what?
Area of the
loop. Get area? Pi r square. Okay, you can cancel pi with it, pi here, so you get mu equal to 1 by 2. What is the mean? Q omega r square. Barabar. Okay. Now, next thing, angular momentum of this particle. ભૂલ નથી થતી હો લખવામાં. જે એકલી લખતો angular momentum. Angular moment નો કહેતા. યાદ છે angular momentum કે ભૂલી ગયા? Whenever something is moving around, you get my angular momentum. શું આવે ફોર્મ્યુલા? mv mvr sin theta, correct or not? Yes, for a particle you can use mvr sin theta, right? Or p into r perpendicular એવા બધું યાદ આવ્યું બધું?
Yes.
Yeah, you can also do this as I into omega, પણ આ I એટલે શું? Moment of inertia. યાદ આવ્યું ને I omega? So moment of inertia of a particle. The formula moment of inertia of a particle. mr square. યાદ આવ્યું? mr square moment of inertia of a particle. So there are two ways to do it. એક તો આવી રીતે થાય આ moment of inertia into omega by I omega. બીજી મેથડ જે તમને આવડે એ તમારે કરવાની. mv r sin 90. Is this clear? Clear or not clear? Okay, ચલો હવે બધી વેલ્યુ મૂકીએ. v અને ઓમેગા નું શું રિલેશન? v equal to
omega r.
omega r. બસ આવી ગયા ને એક કોમન. So v equal to અહીંયા કેપિટલ v equal l equal to m omega r square. Understood or not understood? કે કહ્યું? Here we have put v equal to omega. અહીંયા કઈ નથી. Got it? Now we define a new quantity. Definition there. Okay, we are defining this. Gyromagnetic ratio. What is called? Gyromagnetic ratio. Okay, gyro means to turn. Right? And a magnetic, so તમને ખબર છે what is it? So gyromagnetic ratio is the obviously ratio નામ જ એવું છે of magnetic moment and angular momentum. Magnetic moment and angular momentum of a charged particle, of a revolving charged particle. So revolving charged particle. So આનો કઈ સિમ્બોલ નથી, રાઈટ? ખાલી mu by l એવું જ લખવાનું. આ સમજાણું ને? ડેફિનેશન શું છે? રેશિયો ઓફ મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટ એટલે આ and angular moment એટલે આ બે ડિવાઇડ કરો for charged particle or for revolving charged particle. ચલો કરીએ ડિવાઇડ. mu is equal to શું હતું? half q omega r square એટલે 1/2 q omega r square divided l શું છે? m omega r square. Okay, so we get mu upon l is equal to q by 2a. ગો કોઈ તો ગોકી નાખજો, એનાથી બહુ મોટા સમ્સ એક સ્લાઇડમાં થઈ જાય. Okay, mu upon l is equal to q by 2a. This is the formula of gyromagnetic ratio of a revolving particle. q શું છે એ તો ખબર પડી ગઈ, m ને q છે. Alright, હજી અડધું જ પૂરું થયું આ ટોપિક, થોડું બાકી એક વાર બોર્ડ ભરાય. Right? एकदम इजी डेरिवेशन न લાગતું તમને કે ટોપ લાઈન સ્ટેપ્સ તો જો સાવ કેવા છે? I equal to m તો પહેલાથી મળ્યું, પછી m ની જગ્યાએ omega by 2 અને અહીંયા mu equal to I into a. બધી જૂની ફોર્મ્યુલા છે, ખાલી કમ્બાઈન કરવાના બધા સ્ટેપ. ઓકે, આ નવું છે gyromagnetic. ઓકે.